Oculus Quest All-in-One, 128 GB. VR All-in-One. No PC. No wires. Unlimited. Oculus Quest is an all-in-one gaming system built for virtual reality. Now you can play almost anywhere with just a headset and VR controller. Oculus Touch Controller. Equip yourself with the award-winning Oculus Touch Controller. Your slashes, throws and snaps appear in VR with intuitive, realistic accuracy, transporting your hands and gestures right into the game. The headset is equipped with everything: motion tracking sensors, image processing hardware, memory, power, all integrated in Oculus Quest. No matter your computer, all you need to do is install your favorite game on Oculus Quest and enjoy the game. Forget about worries about wires that can hinder fun in a virtual world. Easy to set up, the world is your arcade. Easy setup whether you're at home or somewhere new. Oculus Quest works with your environment, so you can play standing or sitting in large or small spaces. Incredible VR games. Stop watching the games and step into them. Whether you're dodging spells or slashing through enemies, you're never close to this action. Guardians keep you safe. Explore the universe without tripping on coffee tables. The Oculus Guardians system is designed to help you avoid nearby objects while you are in the game. Enjoy a high-resolution virtual world of 2880 by 1600 pixels, 1400 by 1600 pixels for each eye, with a refresh rate of 72 Hz on Oculus Quest. OLED display technology for high detail and vibrant colors help you immerse yourself in the virtual world without regard to the window effect, screen door effect. Oculus Quest provides two control options for you to choose from. Traditional Oculus Touch Controller. Your own hands through hand tracking technology. No need to use the included touch controller, external sensor or gloves. All you need is Oculus Quest with your hands to comfortably explore the virtual world or interact with friends via VR chat. No need computers, no need for cumbersome cables. All you need is Oculus Quest fully charged and connected to Wi-Fi. Immediately after updating the latest firmware, you are ready to go to the virtual reality world and forget about your bulky PC. Oculus Quest is an all-in-one gaming system for virtual reality. No wires. No PC. Just set up with the Oculus mobile app, and you're free to explore VR from almost anywhere. Sensors inside the headset precisely track your movements and instantly translate them into VR, while helping you steer clear of nearby objects. And with Oculus Touch controllers, your hands are in the game, so you can see your every gesture and feel the power of every impact. Take VR gaming to the next level. And everywhere else. Setup requires an iPhone iOS 10 or higher, or Android 6.0 Marshmallow or higher, smartphone. The Oculus app, free download, 802.11b/g/n wireless internet access, and an Oculus account. Thanks for watching, guys. If this video was helpful to you, please remember to leave a like and subscribe to my channel to see more videos like this in the future. And if you have any questions related to the products we listed here, leave a comment down below and I will get back to you as soon as I can.